Hey guys, James again with Ruti Customs. I want to do a quick review on the Chicago welding cabinet I picked up. I got these, they were on sale for $149, so I got it set up. It's a pretty solid cabinet. Comes with the hooks on the side. It comes with the rack for the bottle. It says it can hold up to 300 pounds total on the cart, so I've got a 125 bottle on here. It's got plenty of room on the sides for the pedal, that's the pedal for the TIG, and I've got everything wrapped up. It comes with 4 hooks, which is nice. Comes with these nice, this handle has a nice rubber coating on it so you can grip it really good. Rolls smooth. The bottom is just one large storage area. Right now I just have the adapter in there. And then one big deep drawer I keep my TIG gloves and stuff in. Another kind of shallower drawer. And keep brushes, aluminum brushes. And then up here I've got gas lenses and everything else for the TIG, tungsten and all that stuff like that. So it does come with an organizer that makes 9 little boxes in here, which makes it really nice, but I just use that for now. Close that. But it's a great little cart. I liked it so much I went back and I bought one for my MIG welder. So it's the same thing. Oh, I do have here's the dividers. You can see them in there. So, and the only thing I had to do here is I had to put a piece of plywood down so my front, these would not be binding up and pinching up, so it just made it easier just to put a piece of plywood right there. But these are great carts. I had the Vulcan welding cabinet, which was supposed to hold, it holds 2 bottles. It's like $400 or $300. $300 is what I paid for it. Yeah, it was like $299. So sorry about that. And I got that one, and I had it for about 2 weeks, and I didn't like it. I didn't like how the welders fit on there with the cords and everything. You had to move all the cords to get to them, to get to the drawers. I have a pretty big shop, and it was kind of a pain in the butt to roll it around in the shop. So just too big. So I took it back, and I got these two for the same price. And honestly, I think these are better carts. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Please like and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Have a great day.